sleeping for Christmas. Everybody's sleeping. This mixture of spice can be amazing. Is that enough of it? Yeah. Good? Yeah, okay. That's okay. No, it's meant to be the front where the meat is. Oil on it. Where we wrap? Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, we're here, out here. Yeah, Vlogmas 23 and 24. Yes, it was the eve before Christmas. The eve before the Christmas. So preparing different things, going to church. Yeah, different things. Yeah. So we show you our church outfit. But for now, we are trying to start the process for the Asun. This is for the Asun. And also braid our hair down. So that we can look a little bit presentable. Normal. Why? You can show what I'm wearing. The flyers enter again. Thank you. Hi. That sounds like it's fine. Okay. This is the noise maker of the family. Bandu. You got me, uncle. You got me, uncle.
Going to be the twins. How are you? I say.
Show them your PJs. You want to stand and show them your PJs, Adi? Yes. Stand. Okay. Say like that.
You make it A.
Oh my God. So if you like nighttime is going to come like around in the next 8 hours.
Whoa.
Yeah. You guys see Bolu was behind away from these vlog scenes. Bolu say bandu. Bandu.
Look at me, just sit down and take a picture. Ready?
I'm starting to charge.
I got 20 cents. Mix that okay.
What's that opened?
So Mara, are you doing? Turn your face, let's see your bandu by bandu. Yes, they didn't tell you. I wasn't part of them, I'm innocent of this accusation. I did not know. It wasn't me.
Again, the mommy said I was your trip.
We bless the Lord. We are running from pillar to post. But we finally made it.
We made it.
So that's the most important part of it. Any other thing is fabu. So we made it. Yes. It's a season to be jolly. I know it's around.
Season to be.
Just don't use that one. I know you like it. But I cannot be trusted. Yeah.
Hey, mommy say you've offended that.
Me, what did I do, mommy?
Once you manage to turn it off, just leave it all.
Mommy, you know Yolo is in charge of breakfast. The girl is just doing
Not
and
the
that's
texture,
allowed.
So a little less.
So what are you making? Tell us.
I am
Let it come out, of course.
It's supposed to be buttermilk biscuits.
Huh? But you know we share you dance me for Christmas. Anyway, say Merry Christmas, Auntie Tayo.
Merry Christmas.
So cute, so cute.
So now, do you like Arsenal? Yeah.
I like both.
This way as well.
Oh, and everybody will just start laughing. Like, oh my goodness, he remembers.
Thank you. Everyone give us a hug.
Aww.
What's this for the people last time?
Let's slow cook that.
Wow. Look at that. What's your problem? I short bread.
Yes.
I really wanted that.
Need more like yeah.
Abraham the rat.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Chef Dizzy. One.
No.
Chef Dizzy.
That other one. Yes.
Makanaki, open carefully, says.
There's no limit.
Yeah, because that belongs to you. Bolu fun.
Oh, thank you. Go hard to fun.
Hey.
Right, that's why I not remove anything so that it is not a size.
Nah.
Where do you get money for?
That's the mother.